Hi folks, today I would like to explain version control system. So today's agenda is what is version control system, what is centralized version control system, what is distributed version control system. So we'll see what is version control system. Version control system is a tool that allows us to manage change to file over time. In a general terms, file can be anything like text file, images, video, or simple blob of data on a computer. We can use version control tools to version code, binary files, and digital assets. It keeps track of every modification to the code in a special kind of storage. It does enable us or developer to move faster, and it allows us software team as well as plenty of agility as a team scale to include more developers. It is a kind of a storage or database where we can save snapshot of our entire or complete project at any point of time. Snapshot is nothing but it is the entire state of our project. We can track all changes like who made changes to the file and why changes have been modified. This track process is very helpful while we will handle conflicts. Conflicts is a kind of event or issue. It will occur when multiple developers will work on the same file. So we have some features of version control system like we can maintain independent branches of code for team member to track their respective changes like feature, master and dev branch. Revert changes made to the code to the any state from its history. So these all are the features with the help of version control system. We can maintain branch and we can maintain the history. So there are many version control system that are available in market, but few top VCS are like Git, CVS, SVN, etc. So there are two categories of VCS: centralized version control system and distributed version control system. So firstly, we'll discuss on centralized version control system. So centralized version control system has a central server to store all files and enable team collaboration. It works on a single repository to which user can directly access a central server. So it works on a client server model. This is a single master copy of the code. Suppose we have one file where developer 1 is working. So it being to log for developer 1. At the same time, other developer cannot access or cannot work on the same file. Once developer first will release that file after made and update his changes whatever, then only other developer can be able to access or work on that particular file. In this diagram, every programmer can update their workstation with the data present in the repository or can make changes to the data or commit in the repository. Every operations is performed directly on the repository, but there is one important thing that we need internet all the time because it's working on single client server. So here it's not locally available, meaning we always need to be connected to a network to perform any action. This is we can feel it is drawback of centralized version control system. Apart from this, since everything is centralized, in any case of central server getting crash or we will losing the entire data of the project. These are some reasons where distributed version control system comes to the rescue. So now we will look into distributed version control system. So distributed version control system control it's a source storage where complete code base including its full history is mirrored on every developer's computer. So you can see in this diagram, we have one central repository and we have one local repository for each workstation, like working copy. So it will enable branching and merging, the ability to work offline, and does not rely on a single location for backup. In this version control system, it's not necessary to rely on the central server to store all versions of a project file, like centralized version control system. Here we have one local copy. So we can commit and update our local repository without any interference. So we use mainly pull and push command to perform operation from central server to local and from local server to central, vice versa. When we will use pull command, then only we need to get connect from internet. So pull command is nothing. When we want to get latest changes in our local repo from central, then we used pull command. When we use push command, then we will move our changes or update to central. So here important thing is we need network connection when we are doing these two operations. Apart from this, we do not bother about internet to work locally. Here we are not depending on network to work or perform any other operation. So all command will work fast. One very important feature of feature on function we can use with this version control system. If central server might be crashed due to an issue, in that situation we can recover our data from any one of local repo, and this could not be possible in centralized VCS. So these are some basic of version control system. There are lots of tools are available in market. People are using as per their need or requirement of criticality. So I would like to explain Git as distributed version control system. Most of the organization is using Git. I will explain Git in my next video. So thank you for watching the video.